Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go do a quick little video about this contactor that you can purchase from batteryhookup.com. I think it's around $30 right now. And what this allows you to do is to run a voltage to these lead wires here that go to the back. See there? And what that will do is it'll energize a coil in here and make these two connections, bridge these two connections so that energy can run across. And so right now, it's closed. There is no energy able to transfer through. But if we apply the proper voltage, it opens up, and then there's our energy. One of the things that this can do is it has a nice range between 9 volt and 36 volt. So that was 36 volt. If we go all the way down to 9 volt, right there, open it up, same thing. Now at 9 volts, it's drawing 0.18 amp and the wattage is 1.61 watts. So just something to note is if you're going to use something like this, it does have a draw. It's going to pull a little bit of energy. The higher the voltage you go, the less amperage, but the wattage will actually peak up a bit. So if we go up to, like, let's say 18. So at 18, we're pulling 0.1 amp and 1.79 watts. We go up to 24, we're drawing 0.09 amps, and now we're drawing 2.5 watts. So I guess the idea here is that the lower the voltage you can give it, the more efficient it's going to be. We can go all the way up to 36 volts. Which is at 0.8 amps, but we're drawing 2.87 watts. So design your pack accordingly. If you're going to use this, I would assume the lower the voltage, the more efficient it's going to be, the less draw it's going to have, and so forth. So if we go back down to 9 volts, I want to show you something. You do need a certain amount of amperage. So if you're going to use an external power supply, you don't have to use the battery. You can hook this 12 volts or this lead power to anything. That gives you 9 between 36. But if you go to 9 volt, you need a certain amount of amperage. So let's just do 1 amp. So we're going to do 9 volts and 1 amp. Now we know that that's enough wattage to handle it, but does it have enough amperage to do that initial energization? So if you hear it, it's trying and it's going back and forth, and there's some connectivity there. But if we just bump this up to 1.5, let's say, 1.5, now it has enough to overcome that inertia of the switch, make the connection, and now we're good to go. Just something to remember, guys. So if you guys decide to use this, please use my coupon code TECH for a discount. Really helps the channel out. I'll have links in the description. You guys have a great day.